I'm just gonna level the van here. I thought you guys might get a kick out of it. See how it goes. Let's see what I got here. It's gotta go up quite a bit. All right, we'll see if that's enough. I'll be right back. That was pretty rough. I'm gonna try again. Well, today's gonna be a shower day. I definitely need one. It's been damn near a week. So gonna be the first shower in the van or outside the van. I'm gonna use the one shower head outside the back doors, stand on a mat, and call it good. Get clean and cleaned up, and you know, right, cleaned up. All right, I threatened it, and here we go. First shower ever. See how this looks like. Gonna cook us up a couple of burgers. We'll start with the onions, go from there. All right, the onions are starting to look good. I'll probably throw the burgers on here in a moment, but check it out. Gotta love onions, right? Yummy. All right, I'm gonna put the burgers on. Brown chuck. That was a nice sizzle. Bring you back when cooked a little more. I think these bad boys are ready to flip. What do you think? Oh yeah, ready to flip. Looking pretty good. We'll see how the finished product looks. Thanks for watching Ban the Consequences. We're gonna try a little feta cheese on top of these burgers. See how I do this one-handed. Let's check it out. There's a lot left. So far, so good. Get you back here in a second. All right, I'm gonna pull these burgers. Nothing worse than an overcooked burger. Let's see how I do. Oh boy. All right, guys, there's the finished product. Looks pretty damn good. I'm gonna dig in. Gotta love a cheeseburger. All right, talk to you later. Man, it's a good burger. That feta cheese really kicks it. I may have overcooked it a little bit, but I'm not used to cooking on fire like that. That's some caveman shit. Anyway, my dinner is good. I hope yours is. Thanks for watching. Damn the consequences. Last night I got caught National Park, $15 a night. Needless to say, I only spent one evening. I'm at a place now called Sturgeon River. Free camping, yeah baby, free camping. Anyhow, just got my fire lit. Taking my walk down to the old Sturgeon River here. And once I get down there, I'll give you guys a look-see. Well, there you go, the Sturgeon River. Pretty sweet. Crazy, man. Alright, well, that's where I'll be for the next night or two. I see some trails over this way. We'll check it out, hike up the river a bit. Anyway, talk to you guys later. And the consequences. I guess that's what they mean by flame broiled. I bet you that's going to be a damn good burger. Nice color marks on that burger. Put the cheese on. Be good to go. Hello. This just in. I'm not in Michigan. Pretty lame rap, but you get the picture. Anyhow, I left Michigan and basically drove straight through Wisconsin into Minnesota. Now, the mosquitoes were bad in Michigan. These mosquitoes in Minnesota, they freaking hurt after they bite. I've been getting nailed bad. If I stand in one place too long, you get a swarm around you. Even in the high heat of the day in direct sunlight, they're all over you. Anyhow, I gotta start heading west, maybe start looking for some desert where there's no freaking mosquitoes, because this is ridiculous. These freaking things hurt, man. Anyhow, the saga continues. Band's running good. I'm having a great time. I love the atmosphere. Anyhow, thanks for checking in with Van the Consequences, and I'll see you soon. Looking California, feeling Minnesota. If long pants are twice as long as shorts, can you wear them twice as long? I think the math is there. Welcome back. It's getting about that time. I'm going to start a fire here. But first, I'm a little thirsty, and I thought, hey, what a great moment to show you what I enjoy. And, let's see. I have my choices here. I got this Minute Maid. Like that, fruit punch. It's very good, and it's good for you. My other choice is water. This is bottled water, but I do have a Berkey that filters water, so shouldn't have to buy these anymore. It's nice. Save me some big bucks there. And then I got Pepsi. Of course, I have these mini cans because, again, watching my health. What's better than little 7.5 ounces of Pepsi? There's a check-in pro column right there. You really like this one. Talk about health conscience. This is pineapple juice. Very healthy for you. Very good. 110 calories. Guess what it's got in it? Go ahead, guess. It's got freaking pineapple in it. Come on. Anyhow, just some of the things I carry on the road. And now that I'm, after looking at all this stuff, I'm kind of thirsty. Here's my last item. What's left in this bottle of Johnny Walker Black. Now stop right here. Pause the video. Go down to the comments and tell me which drink I'm going to enjoy right now. Woohoo! I love camping. I love it. This message brought to you by Johnny Walker Black. Not a sponsor, but I hope a friend. Thanks for watching. Van the Consequences.
What do you think, Johnny?